For your bookkeeping convenience, our Forms Boss Plus program is set up to automatically sync with QuickBooks. Let me show you how to use that feature. First, you have to be set up to actually utilize QuickBooks within Forms Boss. If we go here to the Management tab on the main menu and double-click the Agency Setup form, then select the Preferences tab, you'll see this little checkbox here that says Use QuickBooks Integration. We need to make sure that that checkbox is checked before we can actually integrate with QuickBooks. Now let's see how the actual integration works. We're going to open up the Invoices form. Obviously, this is a feature that's available only for those who have the management option of Forms Boss Plus. Anyone else would not have access to the information necessary to integrate with QuickBooks. So we're going to open the Invoices form. We'll take a look at one of the invoices that we already have saved in Forms Boss and show you how to integrate that into QuickBooks. You'll see that this invoice is already filled out and it already has invoice items recorded on it. It also has one payment made on it. Let's go ahead and enter another payment here. It has the date calendar option here so that you can pull down and select the date of your payment. Then you can also add your check number. And this is where you can select the QuickBook item that is going to transfer into QuickBooks. There's one already entered here, but we actually can add as many as we need to that list of QuickBook items. We're going to do that by clicking this little three-dot button here to add a QuickBooks item. Here you're going to select the new record, and you can type a title for that item here. So we added an item to our QuickBooks items list. You can add as many as you would want to here and just click Save and then OK. And now here that option is available from the pull-down box, so we're going to select that there. And we can type in a description and list a payment amount. If we click Save, you'll notice that it automatically updates your total payments down here at the bottom and your balance due. Now let's transfer this information to QuickBooks. We just click this little QuickBooks icon that's in the corner of our invoice form. If the customer does exist, it will tell you so with this confirmation box, or it may come up and say that the customer does not exist and ask you if you want to create that customer in QuickBooks. I'm just going to click that yes, I do want to update this customer's record in QuickBooks. When that is finished, I'm going to pull up QuickBooks and search for what I just added. So we open QuickBooks, and the easiest way to search for that receipt that we just added is just to click here on the Create Sales Receipts. Then we're going to click the Find button and select the customer that we just used. Click Find, and you'll see here that there are two receipts listed for this customer, so you can click on whichever you want and click Go To, and there's your sales receipt for your customer's payment right here in QuickBooks. You can print it or email it or whatever you would need to do from within QuickBooks. And that's a very easy way to integrate and transfer your information from Forms Boss into QuickBooks.